Hey guys, coming through to the Wingman 4-car garage design. First up, the dealer. Going through into the quad garage, viewing window. Coming through, quad garage with the hoist setup and the epoxy flooring that we offer. It's got a 5-meter side access, we don't have time for it, but come through, we'll do the house. Master coming through here, you can fit Super King, your ensuite, twin shower, basin, freestanding bathtub. And then you top over to the secluded King of Thrones, and then you've got your walking robe here too. So coming through, keep going. This is the separate linen. We've also done a broom closet with 4 shelving there, and then a separate laundry, which is here, with enough room for your washing machine and your dryer. And then the big living area, the living dining, kitchen, standard bed shop and spec. That's a big walk-in pantry. Coming through, and we go to all the minor bedrooms in the back row, little beds too. And then we've got shared bathroom and shared toilet. And then bed 3 and bed 4. See if we can get enough time to just quickly duck out. We've got the alfresco. We build extended paving for the clients, 5 minutes backyard, and off we go.